Hello guys, my name is Tim and I'm the Sales Manager e-mobility. Today I would like to introduce you into our electrification solutions for commercial vehicles. At first I would like to present you our fields of applications. After that I will show you our product portfolio and our application software pool. And at the end I would like to show you some system solutions we already electrified. We have a wide field of applications. For example, public transport and municipal vehicles, last mile logistics, trucks and trailers, mobile machinery and construction machines, agricultural machinery, special vehicles, and also on airports the ground support equipment needs to be electrified. And of course there are many more possibilities. Let's have a look on the structure of an electrified vehicle. In general, we have a high voltage battery pack and a traction drive. The traction drive usually is no application we electrify. We have our focus on auxiliaries. Auxiliaries like the steering pump, typically hydraulic, the air compressor to lower the vehicle chassis, the thermal management like heat pump, the generator and retarder, and the EPTO, the electric power takeoff. Everything electrified with our T6 APD. Let's have a closer look on our product portfolio. Here we have a circuit diagram of an electrified vehicle with the battery pack and then a DC-AC inverter and a motor. This is a status quo, and now we want to deliver electrification solutions for really every auxiliary, and because of that we have our DC-DC converter with 3 kW and a voltage range of 12, 24 or 48 volts. Our T6 APD auxiliary power drive is our modular AC solution. Modular in terms of the inverter axis. You can order the device with 1 to 6 axes. The device is liquid cooled and it has the E1 marking, which is mandatory for Europe's roads in terms of EMC. The T6 is our all-in-one solution. It contains the AC motor controller, the 1 to 6 inverter axis, and a free programmable main control unit, and also a DC EMC filter. The input voltage range is from 200 up to 820 volt DC. And our inverter modules are classified with the nominal output current. That's because of the various input voltage range. The module A has 16.5 amps, the module B 33 amps, and the module C is classified with 60 amps nominal output current. One of the main characteristics of the T6 is its modularity. The device you see on the slide is exactly the same I brought with me, and with every inverter module the whole T6 gets longer by 150 millimeter. Here's a 2-axis device, 3-axis, 4-axis, and up to 6-axis. New in our product portfolio is the DC-DC converter. It's also automotive qualified and has an E1 marking. The input voltage range is between 400 and 900 volt DC and the rated power is 3 kW. The rated voltage can be preset to 12 volt DC or 24 volt DC, and the max rated current is 224 amps. Another key feature of the T6 is the application software pool. It contains software for the first startup of the T6, application-oriented software, and also the communication protocols CANopen and SAE J1939. In addition, it can be extended by customer-specific software solutions. For setting up the T6, we designed a very intuitive user interface, which includes also a T6 wizard in CombiVis. At the end, I would like to show you some common system solutions which needs to be electrified. I have already teasered the EPTO, Electric Power Takeoff. The word is used collective for various solutions. It can be the case that it's only a high voltage interface right before the motor controller, and it can also be the case that it includes the motor and also the working machinery. Important to know is that we are able to offer every possible EPTO solution, since the key component is still motor controller. In the next slide, we have a combination of the electrified steering pump and the air compressor, handled by a 2-axis T6. In combination with the eServo and the eAir app, this is our most common solution. This solution can easily be extended by a heat pump, and therefore we would use a 3-axis T6. The last system solution I would like to present is the substitution of an autark combustion aggregate used to maintain the cool chain in cooling trailers. With the T6 in combination with the eCool app, it is possible to drive the thermal management of the cooling trailer, and in addition it is possible to charge the battery with a generator at the trailer axis while driving. Alright, this was a short overview of our products and applications. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.